ISP, Internet Service Provider. Questions and answers. What is an ISP? Answer. An ISP, or Internet Service Provider, is a company or organization that provides access to the Internet to customers or subscribers. They offer various types of Internet connections, such as broadband, DSL, cable, or fiber optic, allowing users to access websites, send emails, and engage in online activities. How do I choose the right ISP for my needs? Answer. When choosing an ISP, consider factors like the available connection types, speed options, pricing, customer service, and coverage in your area. Reading reviews, comparing plans, and checking for any additional services or features can also help in making an informed decision. What are the different types of Internet connections offered by ISPs? Answer. ISPs offer various types of connections, including broadband, DSL and cable. These use existing telephone or cable lines to provide high-speed Internet access. Fiber optic. This uses thin strands of glass or plastic to transmit data at extremely high speeds. Satellite. It provides Internet access via satellite signals, making it available in remote areas. Wireless. ISPs can use wireless technologies like Wi-Fi, WiMAX, or cellular networks to provide Internet access. What factors affect Internet speed? Answer. Internet speed can be affected by several factors, including your chosen plan's maximum speed, the type of connection you have, the quality of your equipment, router, modem, network congestion, and the distance between your device and the ISP's equipment. How can I troubleshoot Internet connectivity issues? Answer. Common troubleshooting steps include checking your router and modem, restarting your devices, ensuring all cables are properly connected, and contacting your ISP's customer support for assistance. They can guide you through specific troubleshooting steps based on your situation. What is bandwidth and why is it important? Answer. Bandwidth refers to the maximum data transfer rate of an Internet connection. It determines how much data can be transmitted over the network in a given period. Higher bandwidth allows for faster downloads, smoother streaming, and better overall Internet performance. Can I switch ISPs without losing my email address? Answer. Yes, you can keep your email address when switching ISPs. Many email services like Gmail, Yahoo, and Outlook are not tied to a specific ISP, so you can continue using your existing email address even if you change your Internet provider. What is a data cap and how does it affect my Internet usage? Answer. A data cap is a limit set by your ISP on the amount of data you can use in a billing cycle. If you exceed this limit, you may be charged extra fees or experience slower speeds. Some ISPs offer unlimited data plans that do not have a data cap. What are some ways to secure my home network? Answer. To secure your home network, you should change the default login credentials for your router. Enable encryption, WPA3, WPA2, on your Wi-Fi network. Set a strong password for your Wi-Fi network. Keep your router's firmware up to date. Disable remote management if not needed. Consider using a firewall. What should I do if I'm not getting the Internet speed I'm paying for? Answer. Contact your ISP's customer support to troubleshoot the issue. They may be able to identify and resolve the problem. You can also perform speed tests using reputable websites to measure your actual Internet speed and compare it to what you're paying for. What is the difference between upload and download speeds? Answer. Upload speed refers to the rate at which data is sent from your device to the Internet, while download speed refers to the rate at which data is received from the Internet to your device. Both speeds are important for different activities, such as browsing, streaming, and uploading files. Can I use my own modem and router with my ISP's service? Answer: in many cases, yes. Most ISPs allow customers to use their own compatible modems and routers. This can sometimes save you money on monthly rental fees. However, it's important to check with your ISP to ensure that the equipment you plan to use is compatible with their network. What is a static IP address and do I need one? Answer: a static IP address is a fixed, unchanging address assigned to a device on a network. It can be useful for certain applications like hosting a website or running a server. Most residential customers do not need a static IP address, as dynamic IP addresses, which change over time, are sufficient for typical Internet use. What is latency, and why is it important for online gaming? Answer: latency, often referred to as ping, is the amount of time it takes for data to travel from your device to a server and back. Lower latency is crucial for online gaming, as it affects the responsiveness of your actions in real time. Lower latency results in smoother and more responsive gameplay. What is a fair use policy or acceptable use policy? Answer: a fair use policy, FUP, or acceptable use policy, AUP, is a set of guidelines established by an ISP to define the acceptable ways in which their services can be used. It may include restrictions on activities like excessive data usage, illegal content, or network abuse. Can I get a dedicated line for my Internet connection? Answer: yes, some ISPs offer dedicated lines, often referred to as leased lines or business lines, which provide a direct, uncontested connection to the Internet. This can be particularly important for businesses or individuals with high-demand applications. What is the difference between a modem and a router? Answer: a modem is a device that connects your home network to the Internet service provided by your ISP. A router, on the other hand, directs data traffic within your home network, allowing multiple devices to connect to the Internet through the modem. Is it possible to have multiple ISPs for redundancy or load balancing? Answer: yes, it is possible to have multiple ISPs for redundancy or load balancing. This can provide a backup connection in case one ISP experiences an outage, or distribute traffic across multiple connections to improve overall performance. What is a data cap and how can I monitor my data usage? Answer: a data cap is a limit on the amount of data you can use in a given period. You can monitor your data usage through your ISP's online portal or by using third-party applications. Some routers also have built-in features to track data usage. What are the common factors that affect Internet reliability? Answer: common factors affecting Internet reliability include network congestion, weather conditions, especially for satellite connections, equipment quality and condition, distance from the ISP's infrastructure, and any local issues with wiring or hardware. Can I change my ISP at any time, or am I locked into a contract? Answer: it depends on the terms of your specific contract with the ISP. Some ISPs may have contracts with fixed terms, while others offer month-to-month plans. It's important to check the terms and conditions of your agreement with the ISP. What is the difference between a wired and wireless connection? Answer: a wired connection uses physical cables to connect your device to the modem or router, providing a stable and often faster connection. A wireless connection uses radio signals to connect your device to a Wi-Fi network, allowing for greater mobility but potentially lower speeds and stability, depending on factors like signal strength and interference. How do I check if my area is covered by a specific ISP? Answer: you can check the ISP's official website or contact their customer service to inquire about coverage in your area. Additionally, there are online tools and third-party websites that can help you determine which ISPs serve your location. What should I do if I experience frequent internet outages? Answer: if you're experiencing frequent outages, first check for any obvious issues like loose cables or power disruptions. If the problem persists, contact your ISP's customer support for assistance. They can help diagnose the issue and send a technician if necessary. What is the difference between a residential and business internet plan? Answer: residential internet plans are designed for individual households and typically have usage limits. Business plans are tailored for commercial use and often offer features like higher speeds, static IP addresses, and better customer support, but they may come at a higher cost. What is DNS and how does it affect my internet experience? Answer: DNS, Domain Name System, is like a phone book for the Internet, translating human-readable website addresses, like www.example.com, into IP addresses that computers understand. A fast and reliable DNS server can speed up your browsing experience, while a slow or unreliable one can lead to delays in accessing websites. Can I get a refund if I'm not satisfied with my ISP's service? Answer: it depends on the policies of your specific ISP. Some ISPs offer satisfaction guarantees or trial periods during which you can cancel without penalties. Check your contract and contact the ISP's customer service for information about their refund policy. How can I secure my Wi-Fi network from unauthorized access? Answer: to secure your Wi-Fi network, you can set a strong password for your network. Enable network encryption, WPA3, WPA2. Change the default login credentials for your router. Disable remote management if not needed. Consider hiding your network name, SSID. What is a modem-router combo, and should I use one? Answer: a modem-router combo is a single device that combines the functions of a modem and a router. It simplifies the setup process but may not offer the same level of customization and performance as separate modem and router units. Whether to use one depends on your specific needs and preferences. What is the difference between a public IP address and a private IP address? Answer: a public IP address is the unique address assigned to your network by your ISP, allowing it to communicate over the Internet. A private IP address is used within your home network to identify devices to each other, but it is not visible on the wider Internet. What is the difference between a modem and a gateway? Answer: a modem is a device that connects your home network to the Internet, while a gateway is a combination of a modem and a router in a single unit. A gateway can perform both functions, allowing it to connect your devices to the Internet and manage your home network. Can I use a VPN with my ISP's Internet connection? Answer: yes, you can use a VPN, virtual private network, with your ISP's Internet connection. A VPN adds an extra layer of security and privacy by encrypting your Internet traffic. It's a useful tool for protecting your online activities, especially when using public Wi-Fi networks. What is port forwarding, and when would I need to use it? Answer: Port forwarding is a technique used to allow external devices or services to connect to specific devices or services within your home network. This is often used for activities like hosting a website, setting up a gaming server, or accessing a security camera remotely. How can I test the speed of my internet connection? Answer: you can test your internet speed using online speed test tools provided by websites or applications. These tests measure the download and upload speeds of your internet connection and provide results in Mbps, megabits per second. Can I use a different DNS server than the one provided by my ISP? Answer: yes, you can use a different DNS server. Many people opt to use public DNS servers like those provided by Google, 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4, or Cloudflare, 1.1.1.1, for potentially faster and more reliable DNS resolution. What is the difference between a static and dynamic IP address? Answer: a static IP address remains constant and does not change over time, making it useful for applications that require a fixed address, like hosting a server. A dynamic IP address is assigned by the ISP and can change over time, typically each time you reconnect to the Internet. What should I do if my internet speed is consistently slower than what I'm paying for? Answer: if you consistently experience slower speeds than what you're paying for, contact your ISP's customer support. They can run diagnostics and help resolve the issue. It's also a good idea to perform speed tests at different times of day to document the inconsistency. Can I negotiate my internet bill with my ISP? Answer: yes, you can try negotiating your internet bill with your ISP. Some ISPs may be open to offering promotions, discounts, or different plans to retain customers. It's worth reaching out to their customer service and discussing your options. What is a modem's compatibility with different types of internet connections? Answer: modems are designed to be compatible with specific types of internet connections, such as DSL, cable, fiber, or satellite. It's important to ensure that the modem you choose is compatible with the type of internet service provided by your ISP. Is it possible to have multiple Wi-Fi networks in my home? Answer: yes, it's possible to set up multiple Wi-Fi networks in your home. This can be useful for segregating devices, creating guest networks, or optimizing coverage in different areas of your home. What is the difference between a 2.4 GHz and a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network? Answer: a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network provides a longer range but may experience more interference from other devices. A 5 GHz network offers faster speeds but has a shorter range. Dual-band routers can support both frequencies, allowing you to choose the best option for your devices. Can I use my own router with my ISP's modem? Answer: yes, you can often use your own router with your ISP's modem. This can give you more control over your home network and potentially provide better performance. Check with your ISP to ensure compatibility and get guidance on configuring your equipment. What is the difference between a public IP address and a private IP address? Answer: a public IP address is the unique address assigned to your network by your ISP, allowing it to communicate over the Internet. A private IP address is used within your home network to identify devices to each other, but it is not visible on the wider Internet. How can I optimize my Wi-Fi network for better performance? Answer: you can optimize your Wi-Fi network by placing the router in a central location, avoiding physical obstructions and interference, using the latest Wi-Fi standards, e.g., Wi-Fi 6. Updating router firmware for security and performance enhancements. Using a dual-band or tri-band router to separate traffic. Can I get internet service in rural or remote areas? Answer: yes, some ISPs offer internet services in rural or remote areas. Technologies like satellite, fixed wireless, and sometimes even fiber are used to provide connectivity in areas where traditional wired options may not be available. What is a VPN and how does it work with my ISP's service? Answer: a VPN, virtual private network, creates a secure, encrypted connection between your device and a server, allowing you to browse the Internet anonymously and access geo-restricted content. It works in conjunction with your ISP's Internet service, providing an extra layer of security and privacy. How does weather affect satellite Internet connections? Answer: satellite Internet can be affected by severe weather conditions like heavy rain, snow, or dense cloud cover. These elements can attenuate or scatter the satellite signal, causing temporary disruptions in service. Can I have multiple devices connected to the Internet at the same time? Answer: yes, most ISPs allow multiple devices to be connected to the Internet simultaneously. This is typically achieved through a router, which distributes the Internet connection to various devices within your home network. What is the difference between a bandwidth cap and a data cap? Answer: a bandwidth cap typically refers to a limit on the maximum speed of your Internet connection. A data cap, on the other hand, limits the total amount of data you can use in a given period, e.g., monthly. Exceeding a data cap may result in extra charges or reduced speeds. What is the role of DNS servers in Internet browsing? Answer: DNS servers translate human-readable website names, like www.example.com, into IP addresses that computers use to locate and communicate with websites. They play a crucial role in the Internet's functioning, allowing you to access websites using familiar domain names.